स्वताच दोतोर म्हणटा पूण ताका हॉस्पिटलाची बेजीक रिक्वायरमेंट जी आसा हांगा पोंडा तालुक्याच्या जे स्थानिक लोक आहा तांकां जी बेजीक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर दीस हॉस्पिटल अरे तेच ना हांगा. मागीर ती बाबडी सुप्रिटेंडंट ती आतां एक्चुअली खरें हांगा डेप्युटी सुप्रिटेंडंटाचो पोस्ट वेगळो ना, तिका आतां एडिशनल चार्ज दिला. शी इज अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट. हाजे वयल्यान तुमी पळयात की जे हॉस्पिटलाक हेड करपाचो जो मनीस आसा तोच ना. म्हणजे हे सरकार, हे मंत्री आणि हो मुख्यमंत्री हांकां लोकांचे पडलेले ना. टुडे ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ आवर लिडर आणि गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचो आमचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी बाब राजेश, आमचे खासदार, आमचे गोंय राज्याचे विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी आमी मुद्दाम आयिल्ले आज हांगा पळोवपाक. कित्याक आतां विधानसभेन ते उतरां दितात. आतां कळून आयलें की उतरांय चुकीची दिल्ली आहा. एश्योरन्स दिता की आपूण जाहीर घालता म्हणून. खंय वास्तुस्थिती जेन्ना हांगा येवन पळयता तेन्ना अजुनूय पोस्ट वेगळट आहा. ज्या ह्या हॉस्पिटलाचो जो हेड आसा हू हॅज टू हेड दीस हॉस्पिटल दॅट इटसेल्फ इज वेकंट. सो लोकांक आनी न्याय खंयच्यान मेळटलो? म्हाका दिसता ही परिस्थिती आज हेल्थाची गोंयभर जाल्ली आहा. एक रीट पिटिशन फायल जाल्लें ह्या सरकाराचेर गेल्ल्या वर्सा. सरकारान हायकोर्टान बडी मारिल्ली सरकाराचेर हे जाग्यार घाला म्हणून सगळें, तरी अजून काय जायना. फक्त गेले आणि थंय शोबाजी केलो, थंय फोटो काडले, घातले, जावचे ना. तुम्ही हे सरकार, हे प्रमोद सावंताचे सरकार हू हिमसेल्फ स्वताक आपूण दोतोर म्हणटा पळय तो फेल जाल्ला. ताचे सरकार फेल जाल्ल्या. आज लोकांक आमी पळयला की हे सरकार कचरे काडना, लोकांच्या दारार व्हरून कचरो घालता, तांकां दुयेंत करता आनी मागीर हॉस्पिटलान येतकीच हांगा जे बेजीक फॅसिलिटी जाय त्यो ना, वखदां ना. एम्ब्युलन्सी आतां पळय कळून आयले की 2 पेशंटां जाले जाल्यार व्हरता म्हणून. म्हणजे हे कितें हे कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट सर्वीस जाल्या की 2 पेशंट येतकीच आमी एम्ब्युलन्स सोडटले? म्हाका दिसता दीस इज अ सॅड स्टेट ऑफ दीस पोंडा सो कॉल्ड ते डिस्ट्रिक्ट सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल म्हणटा दिसता आतां. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन टू टेक दीस इश्यू व्हेरी सिरियसली विथ द मिनिस्टर. खासदारूय हांगा आहा. सो आय एम शुअर दॅट खासदार वील रेज. कित्याक आज मनशाक जगतलो जाल्यार हेल्थ इज वेल्थ आनी आरोग्य आसल्यार मनीस जगतलो. ते पार्लमेंटानूय आय थिंक ही वील रेज अप दीस इश्यू अँड मेक शुअर दी एंटायर हेल्थ सिस्टम इन गोवा हॅज टू फॉल इन प्लेस. सगळो लोड आमी जीएमसीचेर घालपाक शकना किंवा सगळो लोड दोतोराचेर. अरे तांकां आमी बेजीक जे जाय ते जर दिना ती कितें करतली दोतोर बाबडी? So I think this basic requirement which is required as per the SOP of the hospital has to be fulfilled. So म्हाका खात्री आहा की आमचो विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्यान हो विशय काडिल्लो, फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस एश्योरन्स मेळिल्ले, पूण कांय जावना. कॅप्टन विरियाटो आज हांगा आयला आमचो खासदार. ही वील ऑल्सो टेक अप दीस इश्यू इन पार्लमेंट.
एक्चुअली कवर केला बेसीक म्हणचे जेन्ना आमी म्हणटाले सँक्शन स्ट्रेंथ म्हणजे कितें सगळी स्टडी करून एक मॅनिंग प्लॅन म्हण आसता. जेन्ना हॉस्पिटल स्टार्टींग जेन्ना कन्सीव केल्ली आयडिया हे हॉस्पिटल हे सगळे सुविधा हांगा आसतले. तर सुविधा केअर घेवपाक इतले डॉक्टर आसपाक जाय. दीज आर द स्पेशलायझेशन इन मेडिसीन, वेदर गायनेक, वेदर डेंटल, वेदर सर्जन, हे सगळे आसपाक जाय. तांकां सपोर्ट स्टाफ आसपाक जाय, नर्सीज आसपाक जाय, टेक्निशियन्स आसपाक जाय. आतां सिटी स्कॅन ही म्हणटा 2 वर्सां पयलीं अंडर CSR फंड्स हातून दाखयता सरकार भिकेक पडला. हे आमचे आतां अध्यक्षान सांगला पळय ते भिकेक पडला म्हणून CSR कडच्यान घेवचें पडटा. तुमचे कडेन कोटीचे कोटी पयशे तुमी मोडटात इव्हेंटाचेर. अरे हाचेर मोडा मरे. हे आतां CSR अंडर घेवप म्हणजे सेल्फ एडमिशन की आतां तेंय डिले केला 2 वर्सां. अरे एक कंपनी म्हणटा आय वील स्पॉन्सर, 2 वर्सां डिले म्हणजे कितें नेगोशिएशन करता. आपणाक कितें कमिशन कितलें मेळटलें पळय तें सिंपल कमिशन सरकार.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टर तुमकां फेल जाला पळय दिसता काय ओवरऑल प्रशासन गव्हर्मेंटाचें फेल जाला?
म्हाका एक सांग, एक इश्कॉल आसता, आमी टिचरींग घेता, हेडमास्टराकूय एम्प्लॉय करता. स्टुडंट जर फेल जाले जाल्यार कितें करतले? हेडमास्टराक काडून उडोवपा जाय न्ही, डिसायड करपा जाय. हेल्थ मिनिस्टर पास जाला काय ना पळय तो, इज इट फिट? इफ सुविधा तर हांगा ना इतली वर्सां जाली, एवरीथींग इज रिटन, ताणें तकली फोडपाची गरज ना. बरयल्लें आसा ह्या हॉस्पिटलान कसले डॉक्टर, कितले नर्सी, कितले सपोर्ट स्टाफ, टेक्निशियन, हे सगळें बरयल्लें आसा.
तुमचं फुडलें ड्यू कोर्स कितें आसता?
आय वील रेज इट इन पार्लमेंट. हे पळय 2 ऑगस्टाचेर आमी रेज केल्ले. यू ऑल कॅन हे पळय हांव जाय जाल्यार तुमकां प्रिंट आउट काडून धाडटा. राजेश बाबाक हांव धाडटा. हे 2 ऑगस्टान देर वॉज समथींग जेन्ना बजेट सेशन वॉज गोईंग ऑन, हेल्थाचो जेन्ना इशू आयलो तेन्ना डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स फॉर हेल्थ एंड फॅमिली अफेअर हो आसता. म्हणजे जे तांणी पळय बजेटान इतले दवरल्या पयशे हेल्थाक अक्रॉस इंडिया ते मागीर पार्लमेंटान हाडून सांगचे पास करा म्हणून. तेन्ना आमची भासाभास जाता आनी ते भासाभास जाताना हांवें हें रिटर्न दिल्लें. इवन जे कॅन्टीन म्हणा आतां आमच्या एलोपीन ते कॅन्टीन आसपाक जाय हें पळोवपाक जाता तुमी. पॉयंट नंबर 6 देर शूड बी अ पॉलिसी ऑफ अ कॅन्टीन फॅसिलिटी being provided set up in a hospital to cater for the needs of attendants stroke relatives who have to stay in the hospital to tend to patients. ते पासून कवर केला आमी. सेक्युरिटीचे पुलीस आसपाक जाय हांगा म्हण हे सगळे आमी कवर केल्ले आसा हातून. हे आफ्टर डुईंग सर्वे इंटरेक्शन विथ डिफरंट हॉस्पिटल पळय डॉक्टरांचेर आनी नर्सींचेर तर प्रेशर आयलो न्ही समटायम्स देर इज अ ब्रेक डावन. हांव जाणो नांव सांगूंक सोदिना. one head of a hospital like doctor, she could not attend Ganesh Chaturthi festival in her own house. रडली ती. नाव सांगल्यार तिका सस्पेंड करतले. दिस इज अ रिवेंजफुल गव्हर्मेंट. असली परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा. इतलो प्रेशर आयिल्लो आसा. Shri JP Nadda, JP Nadda. These are the points. I said 18 points, all which we picked up. And this will be probably taken up across India. Whatever we speak, it is not for specific. अशें जर तुमचें मेळ्ळो, somebody else will benefit.
Canteen behind.
Yeah, we have a canteen.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
There should be a policy of a canteen facility.
just checking
6 points.
when the leader of opposition जेन्ना सेशन जालें मंत्र्यान ते फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस एश्युरन्स दिल्यात ते सोदतालो म्हाका कोणता डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे आतां डेटा मेळ्ळा. ही सेइंग दॅट युअर मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट कम डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर पोस्ट इज वेकंट.
Yeah, it is vacant. I am actually a senior gynecologist. I am
आता दुसरे सिनियर सर्जन ही सेइंग 3 आर वेकंट. पळया 3 आर वेकंट. ENT सर्जन 1 वेकंट. ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन 2 वेकंट. तुझ्याकडे ऑप्थोमॉलॉजी सर्जन 2 जाय तुझ्याकडे एक वेकंट.
माझ्याकडे असे 4 असतात डॉक्टर.
हांगा तर हे तुगे मंत्र्यान दिला हे रिप्लाय.
This is the sanction, but
That
we
must
have
be done
got
on
an-
contract.
Yeah,
फिजिशियन
we have
नाही
contract.
फिजिशियन तुका 3 जाय. एज पर द हॉस्पिटल गायडलाईन 3 जाय. हांगा आसा खंय 1-2 शॉर्टफॉल खरे.
One I have one.
2 शॉर्टफॉल फिजिशियन. सायकॅट्रिस्ट 1 जाय असता तो तुझ्याकडे ना. इज वेकंट.
We have one who comes from South Goa.
आणि
visiting
ते नाका
me.
वेकंट न्ही. न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट 1 आसपा जाय तो ना वेकंट. गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट 3 आसपा जाय ते एकूच आसा दिसता म्हाका. तुम्ही
ना, आमच्याकडे 4.
4 आसा. मागीर हे चुकीचें उत्तर दिला. मागीर तुमी लोकांक सुद्दां फटयतात. रेडिओलॉजिस्ट तुझे 2 आसपाक जाय ते 0
एक असा माझ्याकडे.
आसा.
एक असा.
Totally, I
हांगा
think
दिला
so under stress.
हांगा दिला 0 म्हणून.
Correct? Even on
Neuro-
Saturday, Sunday येवचें पडटा आमकां खबर आसा न्हू.
न्ही मागीर NSTC तुका NSTC 2-3 जाय आसता तातूंतले तुजे 2 आहा 1 वेकंट. सर्जन 2 वेकंट. एनेस्थेटिक 1 वेकंट. मागीर ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन 1 वेकंट. ऑप्थोमॉलॉजी ज्युनियर ह्या ज्युनियर उलयता. सर्जन 2 वेकंट. फिजिशियन 2 ज्युनियर वेकंट. मेडिकल ऑफिसर तुका 36 जाय तुजे कडेन आहा 31. 5 वेकंट. करेक्ट.
Yeah, but we have around 25.
तुका 36 जाय.
Just that what we
आयुर्वेदिक फिजिशियन तुगेलो 1 वेकंट. होमिओपॅथिक फिजिशियन वेकंट. मेट्रन वेकंट. असिस्टंट मेट्रन 2 1 वेकंट. वॉर्ड सिस्टरान 1 वेकंट. स्टाफ नर्सिजान 7 वेकंट. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ऑफिसर 1 वेकंट. आता हे उत्तर ताणें केन्ना एप्रिलान दिल्ले. हे एप्रिलान दिल्ले. आमी आतां पावले केन्ना रे सप्टेंबरान. म्हणजे हो आतां काल थंय साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान वचून पळय ते ड्रामा करता. सरप्रायज चॅक विजीट. अरे तुवें
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान जे आमचे बाब राजेश विरेंकर पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष बाबा अमित आणि कॅप्टन दुसरे आमचे वेल विशर आणि लोकल लोक टू बेसिकली लूक एट द फॅसिलिटीज आणि पॉझिटिव्हली द क्लेनलीनेस सिम्स टू बी मेंटेन. वी गिव क्रेडीट टू द डॉक्टर की बाबा ज्या पद्दतीन प्रेशर आसतना आज दे आर परफॉर्मिंग. बट हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता जो सरकाराचो तांकां जायते भाशेन सपोर्ट जाय थ्रू इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, थ्रू इक्विपमेंट, थ्रू फायनान्शियल प्रोविजन विथ रिगार्ड्स टू हेल्थ सर्विसीस. हूंय ना हूंय फाटीं हो सरकार आहा. त्या सरकाराक रीण काडून इव्हेंट करपाक शकताय पूण हूंय ना हूंय लोकांले जी बारीक सुविधा जावं एक जनरल सर्जनिंगा आसपाक जाय जावं रेडिओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटान सिटी स्कॅन मशीन पूण सरकार भिकार जाला सिटी स्कॅन मशीन CSR अंडर रावता येवपाक पूण सरकार कितें करता ही बारीक सुविधा स्कॅनिंग करता आसतना ऑपरेशनां जाताय टू ऑपरेट से देर इज एन ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन ऑपरेटिंग हियर how does he check based on an x-ray you cannot be that precise compared to an MRI or a CT scan machine and hui na hui maga disa the priorities of this government is only about event only about corruption only to spread आमची जी communal harmony ha ही वाट लावपाक हे सरकाराचो लक्ष हा हे सरकार has failed and this particular infrastructure that was built during the Congress regime काँग्रेसी टायमी मुखेलमंत्री सुद्दां म्हणटा काँग्रेसीन कितें केलां काय हो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरूय काँग्रेसीन मारलेलो काँग्रेसी टायमी पूण हूंय ना हूंय डॉक्टर्स आर लेस आमचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटान जे पोस्ट सँक्शन जाल्ले ते दाखोवन दिलेले आहाय सो मेनी पोस्ट ऑफ नर्सीस डॉक्टर्स फिजिशियन्स ऑल दीज आर वेकंट एंड दिस इज he's the medical superintendent is doing a good job whoever is there she's under pressure they are performing I salute the doctors we give credit to them but hui na hui what facilities it is the responsibility of this government and we as a principal opposition will make sure our captain will also raise this issue he's already raised it with the health minister JP Nadda and here whatever hui na hui चुकताय hui उण पडा ते म्हाका दिसता फिजिकली आमी येयल्ले चोवपाक ते आमी हे सरकारा कडेन मागताय कसलीच आमकां तेंचे कडेन अपेक्षा ना बट स्टील वी टेल देम गोंयकारा पासो तो सरकार जावपाक जाय नॉट फॉर ओन्ली ए डेल्लीवाला शर्मा वर्मा विथ युअर लँड डील्स हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता हिंगा तुमी लक्ष घालून ही सुविधा जी लोकां पासो जावपाक जाय ती करून दिवपाक जाय.
So are you going to visit all the hospitals in Goa or?
See, we are visiting when we got an invitation from Rajesh Virinkar to learn about the grievances of the people. We are moving all across the state and the basic idea of this is to connect with the people, connect with highlighting issues after the victory of the South Goa Member of Parliament. Our party workers are all rejuvenated. And I believe that this Bhrasht Jumla पार्टीचो सरकार जो पडा हांकां देख दाखोवपाक जाय आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ज्या पद्दतीन लोक आज भायर सरला with all the damages that this government is doing we will make sure our party president is heading several morchas, several issues so we are as one team the new Congress team you will see a change. Entrance are enter जाते
We don't have a
and
ramp
this is
like
basically
South
a
Goa.
person with disability friendly mo entry
Structure is
हितून बीच एक स्लोप कोन दोला हितून एक रॅम्प आसपाक जाय ग्रॅब हँडल आसपाक जाय हिंगा सारकी पार्किंग आसपाक सो if this basically this minimum facility is not there आणि हे सरकारा कडेन 2 वर्सां जाली आमी हे मांडीत आहाय and this shows their attitude that they are not serious there is no grab handle nothing आम्ही असेंब्ली टाइम हितूनय विधानसभेनूय देना and I believe that this facility this is a basic necessity कित्याक विधानसभा जाली तेन्ना उबान वयल्लो I don't know here there might be stretchers but entry तरी एक physical person with disability should be absolutely
We have
should be as
wheelchair
good as
and-
standard.
Wheelchair and stretchers are there.
Step on him. And is there any coordination between now, for example, if you all don't have general surgeons or see, generally सब म्हाका हाल एक्सिडेंट जालो म्हाका हिंगा हाडले हिंगा जेन्ना हाडले एम्ब्युलन्स ते हाडले 108 suppose the closest hospital. If there is some damage or something happening in my brain or some organ I have bought here, you all will only then waste time and send him to district. You all are forced to because you all cannot do it. Send it to district. From district, they don't have an MRI. They have only a CT. They only have a CT machine. Now everything is so advanced. You have so many equipment. I know this because my sister is a radiologist. She's an oncologist radiologist. So I understand few things that she does. And we've reached a stage where we are supposed to have robotic surgeries and all these things. And today it is sad that basic MRI or CT scan machine are not. The machine are not and people are suffering. and they have to wait. They have to wait for so long. So you please make sure you write, send a reminder. We will also raise it. Whatever is your requirement you have sent, just send us a copy. We will raise it again.
See, I said on
And now I understand.
Reminder. कितनी और हे 2-3 और सामने. Then 3 और. What about the cardiac patient?
Cardiac patients, we have a 24/7 emergency where we have a service center. We are a service center. So whoever comes with their symptoms, ECG and we are diagnosed.
करणार आहे
Then we send them to GMC.
मग का होणार आहे सूचना
So what about the referrals? Referrals are always to GMC most of the
We are
cases.
situated in the center. So South Goa, GMC, almost similar. Wherever a very critical patient is sent to GMC. Some patients manage South Goa, we send to
So what type of patients you are sending out?
South Goa, we send basically if they are severe patients, long standing or for a CT scan or for surgeon's opinion. Some patients we send.
But there is no surgeon. You all have an OT.
We have an operation theatre, we have state-of-art OT where we have OBG, orthopedic, ENT and ophthalm running OPs around the clock.
There are also things about the blood bank. There is a need for a blood bank. Thank you, Dala.
No, blood storage, we are in this thing for a blood storage. We have a room which is there in the lab and we have also obtained FDA license and all. We also got a PD blood bank that is in South Goa and we are now waiting for the HR. HR is
Nothing ambulance आहे ते सारे पावतंय.
we have an ambulance. We have actually
Shortage are people complain that they have to wait for long.
We have ambulance, our regular ambulance, which is a BLS. But then we also have 108 station here, which is ALS, advanced health support. Then we have a neonatal ambulance. We have an ambulance which is dog-type for delivered patients and neonates. And also we have an ambulance specially for heart patients, which is stationed here.
enough drivers are there for them for many.
Drivers are there, enough drivers
You
are
have 5
there.
ambulance now. One BLS, one ALS,
Yeah.
one cardiac, one neonatal.
One neonatal and one drop back.
So basically 4 years in our operational.
Yeah, four
There are
are
complaints that the ambulance is shortage.
cardiac is used for cardiac patient. Neonatal is for
No, but
neonatal.
is there any
And-
demand being made here? Do you feel that ambulance is
Yeah,
shortage?
we need one more ambulance
You-
because the
you put the
ambulance.
requisition?
Yeah, we have put and we have already intimated and I think
There were complaints of some people about the pharmacy medicines not being medicine are taking a shortage.
medicines all inpatients we are giving all the medicines inpatients and also under the scheme for maternal for child then for hypertension diabetes all are given at OPD level. So at the OPD level some special medicines which we don't have that we may have asked them to buy from outside. So around maybe if you see in OPD level around 90% we have, 10% we have asked them to get from.
As per whatever the SOPs,
Yeah.
apart from this
Yeah.
hospital, you being the superintendent,
Yeah.
is it fully functional of what was expected, or where are the thing? Where is the there? I believe there is
Yeah.
sanctioned staff.
Yeah.
That sanctioned staff is not being provided. See, I respect you all for what doctors you all are doing. You are doing it within your response, but Ek Dotran, same is with South Goa.
Yeah.
The load on you
Yeah.
all is too much.
Yeah.
And unless you all express it,
Yeah.
that we can raise these issues because the government is just sleeping. They are not bothered. Because there is, I have always said that the finance ministry is put on a starvation diet. There are things now, for example, CT scan machine is a sarki barik suvidha you
Basic
absolutely need it. If there are with the rising number of cases of deaths, CT scan coming, you just put in and get out rather than doing an MRI. You all have an MRI?
No.
So there is no MRI, there is no CT scan. How do you understand when a patient comes or an accident patient comes, whether he's got a any hemorrhage or anything? See, this is the, you all have the STEMI approach. That is a good approach. मी तुम्ही जैसा मान ट्रॉमलाइज करून GMC धाडा. I spoke about this particular infrastructure in the assembly as well. But आता वाट accident इतल्यो आणि खूय damage जाल्या. That is a basic thing, no? Because 108 comes, picks up, brings it here. And तुम जोरी तो scan करपा जोरी send it south Goa, that time that is lost could be very critical. And you all could save, and there's no surgeons also.
We have, we don't have a general surgeon, but we have a orthopedic.
No, no. The medical.
आता हांगा आमचे कडेन लोक येता पळय ताचे बेजीक ग्रिवेन्सीस हेल्थ कितें आसा की सर्जन ना म्हणून दुसरें तें कितें म्हणटा की एम्बुलन्सीन 2 पेशंट आसल्यारूच एम्बुलन्स घेवन वता नाजाल्यार रावचें पडटा
2 पेशंट
म्हणजे आनी एक सेकंड पेशंट जाय अशें लोकांचे हांगा आमचे कडेन ग्रिवेन्सीस आसा
No, that's not the.
2 पेशंट जाय नाजाल्यार एम्बुलन्स वचची ना
It depends on
अशे
the.
लोक येवन आमचे कडेन आपले प्रॉब्लेम सांगता आनी तिसरें म्हणटा तें सिटी
So
स्कॅनाचें
sometimes
बिकॉज हियर देर इज वन हॉस्पिटल इन प्रायवेट दे आर होल्डिंग सिटी स्कॅन फेसिलिटी पोंडा बट आमचे ह्या आयडी हॉस्पिटलान सिटी स्कॅन ना हे 3 बेजीक कन्सर्न
I will tell you what he says in a private hospital Assam. Some years Parliament with the Honorable Minister of Health, Shri J.P. Nadda. How I raised it? 18 points I raised, and he has replied. These points were given by simple staff of the sub-district hospital or cottage hospital at Chikali. I sat with them, interacted. He सगळी problem आसा. I compiled them, including on 2nd August I'm on record saying point number 6 जो हांवें घाल्लो security for the medical staff. But reason given was suppose केन्ना एक पेशंटाचो ताजे unfortunate death जाता or relatives or attendant may attack. Security should, unfortunately, on 8th September, 8th September, unfortunately, that incident happened in Calcutta. But we had already raised. So if you all give feedback, I in fact told in writing that तुम्ही AIMS सगळ्याक open करूंक सोदता, please upgrade and strengthen the hospital which are existing. Then we can think of AIMS. So he's replied to that. So तुमकां कितें हें ना, it's basically your load on you all will come down आनी बरी सुविधा दिवपाक जातली तुमचे कडेन.
And general surgeon, there's any date when our general surgeon is going to be appointed, or you all are still waiting for date?
Send a proposal several times.
Is this post advertised?
Same problem. Same problem.
Also, I will just tell
Not
you.
working.
I will tell you. No, only this one lift is not working. We have already written to PWD. Already the engineer had come yesterday. They have already sent whoever they have, their contractor. He has come there and his spares are about to come and they are supposed to be there.
2 चलता
ना ना 1 2 3
It's under maintenance contract?
So चलता 6 lifts are working. 6 lifts. Only this one is not working. As per their sessions here. Yeah, that's what it is.
Ma'am, these are repeat patients for different patients.
No,
Dialysis.
3 patients who are taking dialysis. As per their, whatever, how they are told schedule. they
Any
come.
new cases coming up for dialysis?
Yeah,
No, why?
actually dialysis is outsourced to FX. The dialysis is done only after recommendation by a nephrologist.
Why I'm saying is because there may be a reason why patients are coming in for kidney problem. That may be some survey can by another department.
Yeah.
It's done especially in Kanpur.
Correct. In Kanpur there
Quality of
is water.
Kidney problem. When I asked her, but she said initially it was 8 beds, it increased to 12. But you're okay with the...
Yeah, yeah. And if there is any requirement, they tell us.
To have a dedicated nephrologist or
Not
visiting.
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 This is how it works.
Okay.
This comes from above.
You need a dedicated...
Once a week he comes.
Once a week here, once a week in South Goa.
sometimes he may not be liable to come also, you know, since he's doing it no more case or whatever.
What's orthopedic patient?
It is not directly proportional to the condition of road.
We have one more orthopedic surgeon who presently had a fracture of his clavicle, so he's
You're a surgeon.
orthopedic. He and one more doctor was inside. Both of them are.
मेटा सारखी किती प्रॉब्लेम हा
He has now that.
इंडिया जाता नाही साडेनऊ वाजून
टोकन घेतलं